This video guide will help you to get rid of the online scam that is associated with the website Gsfato.live. Gsfato.live is a new misleading and deceptive pop-up which now keeps attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. First of all, this pop-up claims to be related to some well-known security program. But the point is that there is no connection between these pop-ups and that well-known security program. If you interact with these deceptive pop-ups, you are under the risk of making your computer infected with some other potentially unwanted software. In fact, these pop-ups by Gsfato.live promote such potentially unwanted software through making some misleading and scary claims about the condition of your computer. So you shouldn't interact with these deceptive pop-ups. Don't tolerate them. We recommend you to carefully examine your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software. We suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the official website combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and start researching your system with its help in order to identify and eliminate other possibly hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.